Dialogue. This dialogue is between a woman and a Centrelink service officer. The woman has recently been made redundant and is seeking information about applying for the job seeker payment. The dialogue begins now. Good morning. Welcome to Centrelink. How can I help you today?
पिछले महीने नौकरी गई, जॉब सीकर पेमेंट अप्लाई करना है। 2 बच्चे और होम लोन है।
I'm sorry to hear about your situation. I need to check a few things. What was your last day of employment? Did you receive a redundancy or severance payment?
पंद्रह मार्च आखिरी दिन। 4 हफ्ते का सेवरेंस और बचे हुए एनुअल लीव मिले।
The redundancy payment will affect your waiting period. With 4 weeks redundancy, there will be a waiting period before payments start. However, it's important to apply straight away to start the clock running.
वेटिंग पीरियड में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। होम लोन की चिंता है।
Since you have children, you may be eligible for Family Tax Benefit Part A during the waiting period. If you're in serious financial hardship, you can also apply for an emergency payment.
अप्लाई करने के लिए क्या डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए?
You'll need identification, a driver's license or passport, your bank account details, a separation certificate from your former employer, and your income tax return. Do you have a MyGov account?
हाँ, है। ऑनलाइन अप्लाई हो सकता है। छोटे बच्चों के साथ बार-बार आना मुश्किल।
Yes, you can complete most of it through MyGov. I'll help you set it up today. I also need to explain the waiting period. There may be a 1-week wait before payments start.
शुक्रिया। सोचता था अकेले संभालना होगा, राहत मिली।